In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can import a video in Davinci Resolve just in few seconds. So this will be a quick tutorial for you guys, step by step. Let's get started. So what you will do, you will just go to your Davinci Resolve page like this, okay? And what you will do, you should see over here, okay, import media, okay? You see over here import media, click on import media like this, and what you will do, it will take you to your videos that you have in your laptop. So I already have those videos in my laptop. Choose which video you want to import. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one, okay? Click on open and your video will be import in Davinci Resolve like this, okay? So that's how you can import a video in Davinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching guys, and see you in my next video.